Ah, this is something. All right, we're gonna pause.
Yeah. Whoa!
The snow. And here comes Big Bro. Oh! No, Ari was telling me, oh, he's a running back.
Help! Help! That really hurts.
All right, okay. All right. Ari, tackle him, man. You're a great defensive player. All right, no smushing into the snow. Uh-oh, more snow! Uh-oh, sorry.
Watch out where the Huskies go, and don't you eat that yellow snow. Watch out where the Huskies go, and don't you eat that yellow snow.
Ah! That's yellow snow, Jacob. Ah! Oh, gross! Ari.
Look at that.
Ari, don't eat yellow snow. Why are you eating yellow snow? Why are you eating the yellow snow? It's like deer wee-wee.
Peekaboo. And it started in the whipping on my favorite baby seal.
Keep going. Here it comes. Get on, Omar. Jacob Lehman doing the fall, the Nestea plunge. Hold on. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, are you okay? I tripped over your foot. Sorry, are you okay?
Yeah.
The running back, Joy Palomalo. Oh, wait a minute, he's a safety.
Yes, he's a safety, everybody.
I know, Ari was telling me, oh, he's a running back. You're crazy. Oh, look, it's all over your face.
Yellow snow, the deadly yellow snow from right there where the Huskies go.